Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Zabbix 7.2 on Linux Mint 22. Okay, so first open any web browser, also open terminal, go to zabbix.com, hit enter. See, at the time of making this video, Zabbix 7.2 is the latest version. So click on get Zabbix, then click on Zabbix packages, scroll down, see here, first we have to choose the platform. See, the latest Zabbix version is 7.2 and then we have to choose the platform. See here we don't have Linux Mint. Okay, so go to the terminal, more /etc os-release. See, it's IDE like Ubuntu and Debian. So here you can select the Ubuntu and code name is Noble. So select the Ubuntu 24.04. But if you select Debian, you have to select the 12 because code name is Wilma. So I am going to select Ubuntu and code version number is 24.04 because as I told you, Noble. Then we have to select the Zabbix components, server, frontend and agent. Then select the database. See here we have these two options. We can also select Oracle or SQLite. So I am going with MySQL. If you want to install MySQL on Linux Mint, then there is a link in the video description how to install and configure MySQL 8.0.40 on Linux Mint. Or you can search my YouTube channel. Okay. Then web server, I am going with Apache 2. You can select either of them. Based on selection, it populates the commands to be executed to install and configure Zabbix. See here, these are all commands for the MySQL. See, for this selection, those commands are populated. Okay, but before installing them, go to here. First, we have to install the Apache web server. Then we have to install the PHP and its extensions. Okay, so install them. Sudo apt install Apache 2. Hit enter. I will keep these commands in the video description. This typo Apache 2. Type and hit enter. See, we have installed Apache server. Let us verify the status of the Apache web server. Sudo systemctl status Apache 2. Hit enter. See, Apache web server is running. Okay. Q to quit, Control A. Then install the PHP and its extensions. Type and hit enter. I will keep all the commands in the video description. If you find this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel. Also install this one. Okay, prerequisites done. Now go to here, scroll down. Then these are the steps. Okay, first we have to install the repository. Copy this one, paste here, hit enter. Now install it, paste it. At the start, give the sudo and hit enter. It is done. Now we have to install Zabbix server, frontend and agent. Copy this command, sudo, paste it, hit enter. Type and hit enter. Control A. Now we have to create initial database user and we have to set then grant privileges to this user on this database. Then we have to set this global variable. So copy these commands one by one. But before that, connect to MySQL. MySQL-u root-p. As I told you earlier, I have installed MySQL 8.0.40. You can search for my YouTube channel or there is a link in the video description how to install MySQL 8.0.40 on Linux Mint 22. Okay, hit enter. See, I have installed MySQL server 8.0.40. Control L. So first command is it is going to create database. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now verify the databases. So databases. See, new database is created. Okay, now create the user by copying this command. paste it, hit enter. Now grant the privileges. Paste it, hit enter. Now set the global variable. Paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now quit. Now we have to import the initial schema data. So copy this one. See, for this Zabbix user, I have given the password as password. Okay, that we have to provide here. Then provide the password. See, password is this one. Okay, give the same. But if you have given some other, then give that password. This may take 2 to 5 minutes. It is done. Now connect to MySQL and set this to 0. Paste it, hit enter. It is done. Quit. Control A. Now we have to configure database for Zabbix server. So go to this file, copy this file path, sudo vi, paste it, go to the db password. Yeah, here we have to remove this hash, then shift A, then give the password, whatever we have given. See here, whatever we have given, that password here also we have to give. Then save the file, escape, double Q, exclamation. You can use whatever the text editor that you are familiar. Hit enter. Now we have to start the Zabbix server and its agent processes by using this command. Copy it, sudo, copy this one, paste it. It is done. Now enable the services. Copy it, paste it. At the start, give the sudo. Hit enter. All done. Now verify the status of Zabbix server and Apache web server. Sudo systemctl status Zabbix-server. Hit enter. See, Zabbix server is running. The same way verify Apache service. We have already verified. Okay. So again verify sudo systemctl status Apache 2. See, Apache web server is also running. Control it. So next, connect Zabbix by using web UI. So this is the URL for the Zabbix web server. So copy it, new tab, paste here. But instead of host, we have to give host name of the Zabbix server installed. See, we have to give this. Copy it, then replace this host with that one. Hit enter. Now we are going to configure frontend. So click on next. See, all checks are passed. See, everything is green. Okay. So click on next step. Then select database type as MySQL. See, MySQL is installed on this PC. So database host is localhost. Port number is 3306. Database name Zabbix. Username also same. Then provide the password of the Zabbix user. That is password in my case. Then click on next step. Not now. Zabbix server is installed on this PC, so I am giving localhost. You can give the host name also. Then select the default time zone from this list. Okay. I am going with the default. I am going with this one. Then default theme. See, here we have different themes. It is up to you. So click on next step. See, this is the pre-installation summary. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on next step. If you want to modify any one of them, you have to click on back. So click on next step. See, congratulations, you have successfully installed Zabbix frontend. See, configuration file is created here. This is the configuration file. So click on finish. Now connect to Zabbix by using the username admin. A must be caps, then password is Zabbix. Then click on sign in. I will keep this username and password in the video description. Click on sign in. Not now. See here we have installed Zabbix server version 7.2.1 and Zabbix frontend server version also same. If you want to create users, you have to click on users, then click on create user. Or if you want to edit password of this admin, click on it, then click on change password. Even you can change the user. Okay. If you want to go back to home again, click on Zabbix, dashboards, monitoring, services, inventory, reports, etc. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure Zabbix 7.2 on Linux Mint 22 operating system. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.